Hi, my name is Ratna and welcome to my channel. Hope you're doing nice today. In America, the first Monday of September is celebrated as Labor Day. My belated Labor Day wishes. The Jewish New Year celebrations began on Monday as well. So happy ROSH, HASHANAH to you and your family. Being Labor Day and for the New Year, I'm here with a home decor idea. I'm going to upcycle my old fridge to a garden pond. Do not attempt if you have very small kids who would climb and fall into this and drown. You may make this after your kids grow up a little. Let's move on to the video. That's all for today's segment. In case you liked it, then please do subscribe. If you're okay with channel notifications, then press the bell icon. See you in another segment. Until then, take good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay positive. You have a good day or a good night. Bye.